Hey guys, this is Karen at Violand Management, as you can probably tell. And I just wanted to take a minute and let you know how fantastic my experience has been working with Melanie. She has been incredible. She is not only so easy to work with, she and I are both a lot alike, but she is very responsive. Anytime I need anything, she is on it. So even if she can't give me the answer that I need, she lets me know that she got my message and she's looking into it and she'll get back to me. And not once have I been left waiting for an answer that I didn't know. Did she get my message? Did she not get my message? Whatever. So it has truly been a pleasure to work with her. And I think you guys are just very fortunate to have her on your team. And I am very happy to be working with her.